I have tested a few beef noodle soup recipes, and this is the one I keep coming back to. Full disclosure, I'm a lazy cook, so trust me, this recipe is as simple as it is delicious. To start, cut the beef shanks into pieces. I like the meat to be really tender that it melts in your mouth, and I've found that slicing it a little thinner works better than cutting it into thick chunks. We usually like to use banana shanks, and this time we also tried beef chuck, though I think the shank still had the better texture and flavor. Boil the meat for a couple minutes to remove the excess blood and set it aside. Cut the onions into thin slices. Remove the skin from the ginger and slice it. Cut the green onions into large pieces. I like to use 4 tomatoes for that extra tomato flavor, but it's up to you. To start the soup, heat a big pot on high, add a little oil, toss in the onion, ginger, and green onion. I used an IBS-friendly garlic oil here, but fresh garlic works too. Saute for about 3 to 5 minutes, then add in Chinese chili bean sauce, sugar, soy sauce, and salt. Next, we add the beef and the tomatoes. Stir for about 4 minutes. Now pour in the water and add spices. Once it's boiling, cover the pot, turn the heat down to medium-low, let it simmer for a couple hours. Cook the noodles of your choice. Add some veggies and a sprinkle of green onions. And it's time to eat!